Hey everyone, welcome back! In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to remove your Canva account step by step. I'll explain everything in a clear and simple way, so just follow along and you'll be able to do it without any trouble. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open your browser and go to Canva's official website. Once the page loads, head over to the Home section. After that, look for your profile icon at the top and click on it. A menu will appear, so choose the option that takes you to your account settings. Inside the settings page, scroll down until you find the option related to managing your account. Open it, and you'll see different actions you can take. From here, select the option that allows you to log out of your account. When you're logged out, you'll be taken to the login page. On this page, look for the option to remove an account. Choose the account you want to remove, confirm your choice, and your Canva account will be successfully removed. And that's it. You're all done.